Hey, it's Kayla, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Pennywise inspired clown makeup look. First, I'm going to start off by taking white paint. I'm going to be using Wet n Wild's Fantasy Makers palette. This should be available in Walmart, at least, because I'm pretty sure it's been out for the last 2 years. It was this one, and then there's another one that's like all colorful. I'm going to take a more detailed brush like so. This is optional because I want to do an SFX look. So this is SFX. It's a little different than if we would just paint it on. So I don't want to get to the part where we are doing all the makeup and adding the lines just for it to get messy. So we're going to add the outline here to see where Pennywise's face is going to go. So now we've got like our general outline. Next I'm going to take Maximum Impact's Liquid Latex in Flesh Tone, and I'm going to start outlining it. I'm going to kind of outline around like the edges. So I want it to be very close. I don't want to cover that white. I want to show that white. And just try to do these little lines, dots, whatever you want to call them, outside. That way it's like a little wall, like a little border on each of them. I'm not going to talk during this. I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to drag this part a little bit because I don't want it to be so like stopped, like a clean cut at my mouth. Just be careful when getting by your eye. You don't want to get in your eyelashes if you can help it, and it might make your eye burn. Always good to be careful with this kind of stuff near your eyes and your mouth. Also be very careful near your eyebrows. Don't put this on your eyebrow hairs. So there's our first layer. I'm going to let this dry for a second, and then I'm just going to go back in. I'm going to layer it maybe 2 to 3 layers at most. I want to show like a difference, but I don't want it to be like that different. That it looks like it's just on my face, you know what I mean? I'm going to let this dry, and I think I'm going to do one more layer and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that this is fully set, it's going to be a little tacky, but it's dry. I'm going to go in. This is actually Morphe's concealer. I got it a little too light. I'm trying to like use up products that I don't need. So I'm just going to go in really quick, and I'm going to put this over the liquid latex because I want to try to make it less yellow. And then I'm going to go back in with my foundation next. Being careful, but still just tapping it in like normal. Foundation, just don't drag it, and you should be fine. I'm going to go with a slightly darker foundation because I want to make sure this is covered. I'm going to go in with Maybelline Superstay Skin Tint. This is like the 24-hour one. I'm actually kind of running out of this. I'm going to go in with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer. Just carefully so I don't mess up the latex. For contour, I'm going to go in with Hard Candy's Highlight and Contour Stick. I'm going to go in with Rare Beauty's Bronzer Stick. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. I'm going to take e.l.f.'s Cookies and Dreams palette. And I'm going to go in with the white first because we're not doing like the white foundation. I'm just going to extend that into the corner just a little bit because I want it to blend in with the black. I'm going to take that black. I'm just going to lightly start going in. Okay, so for lashes, I added 2 of them from Profusion. I don't know if these are right because these 2 don't match, so I'm hoping these don't look right either, but they look good enough. So I'm assuming they're these ones from Profusion. We'll see. I like these ones. And then next I'm going to add the red paint. We're going to fill in the clown part. So I'm going to go in with the same palette as before. I'm going to be using Wet n Wild's Fantasy Makers palette. And I'm going to be taking my detailed brush again. Just gonna wipe the white excess off so we don't get too much in the red. It's not gonna matter though. I'm gonna take this really dark red shade. I'm gonna put it up here, even though the latex isn't there. This makes it so much easier. I just peeled that up a tiny bit at the mouth. Now I'm gonna draw my lips on with the same color red. I'm just gonna connect it. This is like so nice though. I know it's probably not supposed to be on your mouth. I'm not recommending you use this for your mouth because it says not for around your eyes or around your eye and lip area. Don't do this, apparently. If you do this, I'm not responsible if you put paint on your mouth because it says not to. Use red lipstick for this part. See, it doesn't look as great now. Let me see if I take my tools and lift this up. Alright, I'm just gonna lift the inner part of this latex very lightly with my tweezers. I'm gonna go back in with that same brush. And I'm gonna take that dark red and we're gonna see if this makes any difference or if I just messed it all up. We're gonna do that little nose thing too. For brows, I'm very lightly going in with Maybelline's Express Brow Pencil. I honestly haven't done my brows in a really long time. What do we think about the lower lashes? Should I do a liner? This is LA Colors eyeliner and eyeshadow. And smoky, I don't remember buying this. Now, that should be the final look. If I had my red hair, we could have went all out with the Pennywise makeup. Here's the final Pennywise SFX Clown. Maybe do it a little different. Maybe don't do the latex like I did. I feel like you could probably do without that. Seemed like a little bit too much extra work. Not enough worth it, you know? Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more Halloween content this month. I'm going to be doing some makeup and gaming videos. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.